he leave big space for a straight car.
I know.
Before sharing is good.
I know. It's horrible.
I close the window. You
No,
okay?
I need air. I'm recording the scenery. No, we need the air. And then lights take forever. Ugh. Come on, inch. I don't know why he's like hesitant. Another light. Then like your way to Fort York Boulevard.
Right.
Make a right. Go take Spadina a little bit. We can turn into any side street before Spadina. So we got to go into Kensington Market, Nassau, whatever street, and before Spadina, and then on to Augusta, and then College.
everywhere. Too much traffic.
Yeah. Too much traffic, too much
Yeah,
construction too.
Yeah. You know why today too much traffic?
What's going
The
on?
Canadian team he play with Tunisia for World Cup.
Soccer?
Yeah.
Well, that's why it's
That's
traffic.
why most of the people in the city.
Oh. Hmm.
There is two states, right?
You say that. There was another way we could have gone too. Go. No, listen. Could have made a right, no, a left here on Front Street, go up Portland. No, it's too late now. Don't do that. Because we missed the turn light. I'm just talking. Go up Portland to Queen and then up another street. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, don't do that now. We're going to lose time.
Now this is better.
Yeah.
This one is too light.
Mm.
Change, you see, right?
Yeah.
You know, from Batras, this is better, 100%.
I know.
I don't know for future Batras, it will continue like this.
I don't think, it's only for the FIFA game they did that.
No. FIFA
It's-
game even he made like open.
It's permanent?
Yeah, this is permanent. You see the red painting?
Yeah, for sure.
That means permanent now. It's not allowed.
That's crazy. Doesn't make sense.
That's why everybody's scaring. Nobody touch that the red. If you touch the red, they give you $300, depend the area, or $500 and 3 points.
Wow. I think we can't do streetcar tracks anymore anyway. Doesn't make sense. They have to repair it, right? And then they bring out the buses again, right? So they should make the lanes into bus lanes.
building
Yeah.
for long time. Start, never finish, even never start construction. Maybe 4 years.
Yeah.
Do you remember this one?
Yeah, the bank. It was a bank.
Yeah, before I think CIBC Bank before.
CIBC.
Yeah, long time. This was holding like this.
The city, they was planning for this, right? They hold it for this construction. They're already planning then,
I
right?
think before COVID.
Yeah.
I'm sure before COVID. Yeah, this never start. Now
The-
again starting. I don't know how long it's taking.
It's for the Ontario line.
No, we don't have connection with Ontario.
Sorry?
We don't have with the Ontario.
That's the subway line. The new. I talked to the construction workers.
Really?
Yes. What do you think it was? On both corners, the other side as well. It's supposed to be the Queen subway for the Ontario line.
This one, are you sure for Ontario line?
Sir, I talked to the construction guys. Yes. Wrong lane. Oh my gosh. Why did you get out of the lane? Inch through, inch through. Now we're gonna miss the light. Now, can we make a left-hand turn in any of the side streets now?
Which one? This is coming?
Anyone, yeah. This one, can we make a left-hand turn? Gotta go into the side street. Go right, sir.
No, you can't go right.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Then I'll get out here.
You're going, yeah. You see?
No, don't.
No.
That's a laneway.